This is a special note thank you to each and every one of you, my community members. I just want to say thank you guys. I couldn't have done this without you, for your immense love and support towards me and my channel. I love y'all so much. Y'all are just the best. Cheers to an amazing 2022 and more to come in 2023, to the best year ever. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just saying me, hi, my name is SINDYAKPOLO. Good to have you. You're most definitely welcome. And today is a beautiful day, and today I'm filming this video. Today is the 31st of December 2022. I'm sure just like you have clicked on the title and the thumbnail, today I'm going to do the clean girl makeup. What a good video to use to end the year, other than using my first makeup comeback for 2022. So clean girl makeup is the makeup that I actually started my makeup content for 2022. What a good last video for 2022, other than my first makeup content in 2022, which is the clean girl makeup. And I thought to come on here to use this as my last video for 2022. So yeah, let's dive right in. I'm not gonna talk much about the product. 2022, man, 2022, whoa, this is really light. Not just light, but yellow undertone, which is not my undertone. And 2022 has been an amazing year so far. I've cried, I've learned, I've grown in 2022, and it's just beautiful. It's beautiful to see my growth in 2022. I can count the number of times I've failed, and I can count the number of times I've won, and the number of times I smiled and cried in 2022 alone is amazing. It's surreal. 2022. 2022 is indeed an amazing year. I just want to thank everybody that made my 2022 an amazing one. You guys are amazing. I've met good amount of people in 2022, and a lot of you have impacted my growth one way or the other. I don't take any of it for granted at all. My 2022 in terms of content has been amazing, and I can't count how many times I have decided or thought that I was going to quit content creation, but here we are. We kept on going, and it's amazing. It's just beautiful. So beautiful. And all I can just say is how grateful I am for 2022 and for how this year have come so far. It's just beautiful to see. I love it. So yeah guys, comment in the comment section down below a lot of things that happened to you in 2022, good or bad. A lot of us know how 2022 came, but yeah, we should not also forget the good things that happened in 2022. I feel like a lot of people deliberated so much on the bad events without taking note or being appreciative of the good events that happened in 2022. And yo, it's amazing. It's just beautiful. I can't believe that 2022 is ending today and tomorrow is 2023. Like, guys, can you imagine? We're in the new year. It's just so beautiful. I'm super pumped, super hyped for the new year's. What are you guys doing for the new year? For crossover, tomorrow is Sunday. I'm Christian. A lot of us would be going to church, and some people, they're already in the new year's or by now, and some people, they've closed up, they've had their new year experience, and they're wrapping up to the next day, the day after New Year's. Some of us were about getting into the new year. So guys, so what is your New Year's Eve going to look like? What are you guys doing for New Year's Eve? Are you going to church for crossover nights? Are you having a party at home? Are you going to binge watch movies, or are you also going to stay at home and do your crossover night at home? Let me know in the comment section. Let me also know, have you started setting your goals for 2023, or have you set your goals, or are you in the process of doing that? But one thing for sure, no pressure if you haven't. Just take it one step at a time. Don't rush yourself into anything. just make sure that whatever it is, you're doing the right thing and you're doing what makes you happy, just for you and you alone, which is beautiful to see. As long as you are happy. For those of you that have set your goals, are you going to be making a vision board? For me, yes, I'm definitely going to be making a vision board. Ever since I started making vision boards, it's been amazing, and I can't even imagine myself going into the new year's without having goals or having my vision board. Like, guys, I can't imagine that. A reminder I want to put out there is, in anything you're doing, always put God first, no matter what. So if you've not written down your goals and you're confused about it, pray to God, ask him for direction and guidance, and he surely definitely will help you through it, so you don't write amiss. Because sometimes when we're going into the year or we're entering the new year, we need to make sure that we are specific, or we list down goals that are specific, so we get the right things or the things that we actually want for ourselves. And I feel like 2022 is the year that a lot of people, I kept seeing online intentions, and I'm like, oh wow, so 2022, you guys didn't tell us the theme for 2022 is intentionality, or is intentions, or intentional. Because yo, I pray each and every one of us get into the year smiling, and let our smile not fade off our faces, and we continue to smile in 2023, because I see 2023 is a better year. 2022 is a good year. 2023 is the best year yet. I'm not going to use the word better, because 2023 is the best year yet. And just like what my pastor would say, 2022, like before we entered 2022, 2021 crossover 2022, the theme was 2022 was a great year, and indeed it was a great year. So 2023 is the best year yet, or 2023 is the best year ever. Yes, that's the right word. So I'm using the all over face powder on the other sides of my face to take off the harsh lines. And I know when I did the clean girl makeup, it wasn't even actually a talk through video. And yes, I remember when I did the makeup, there was no ring lights. I didn't use ring lights. I used natural light, because I wanted to make my video different from what others were doing, because clean girl makeup was what started my makeup in 2022. Like, it was my comeback makeup video for 2022. I never thought I would come back to makeup in 2022 or to beauty videos in 2022, but I did, and here we are. For 2023, I want you guys to, and no, I'm not imposing this on anybody, but I want you guys to write down your goals and be very specific about your goals, and also speak it into the atmosphere. You're manifesting it, manifest who you want to be intentional about it, be specific about it. There's a theme I love using, and I got this from a movie, and it's funny because that movie came out in 2022 as actually, and you guys might know what I'm talking about. Inventing Anna, that's the movie, and I picked some words from it, and I think it was actually from one of the soundtracks in the movie, in the series. One of the themes that I loved is manifest it till it becomes your reality. And I loved it, and it stuck on. Like, sometimes I constantly switch my theme. I just write it somewhere. And 2023, I want you to go into 2023 visualizing your dreams, visualizing who you want to be, and manifesting it, speaking it into the atmosphere, and watch it manifest into reality. Because when you speak things and you believe, there is actually power in the tongue, and we shouldn't forget that. I'm gonna bake my under eye using the exact same powder I used to set my under eye. I'm not going to do much eyeshadow because I want this look to be as natural as possible. And if you have dry skin, you don't need to bake, because usually in the winter it's definitely gonna be dry. So you might not need to bake your face. So yeah, how many of you believe in the power of manifestation? It's okay if you don't believe, but if you do, let me know in the comment section down below by leaving a hands up or thumbs up, so I know you get to watch this part of the video. And if you don't, you can leave a thumbs down. And no, it's not in the sense to like judge anybody, but it's fine if you don't. For me, I believe in speaking things into existence. It's just beautiful. Yeah guys, I know this video is all over the place. The idea behind it was just to do my makeup and explaining along the way or alongside, but I feel like I've done one of these before and explaining, and I don't want to do a separate video to thanking you guys, so I thought to ship all of this to thanking everybody and sharing my appreciation to everybody for your support and your love towards my channel. Hence the reason. So guys, pardon me. With that being said, I want to say a huge thank you to my amazing community of YouTubers. You guys are amazing. I don't think I would have made it through content creation this year without you guys. I love each and every one of you so much, and I just want to say thank you guys for not giving up on me. I know sometimes I can be a lot, but you guys never gave up on me. Like, you guys stuck supporting me with the knowledge sharing and all, and you guys are just the best. I mean, let's do more of this in 2023 and the year beyond. I love you guys so much. I don't know how else to say this, but God bless each and every one of you immensely. Like, God bless you all so richly. I don't even know the right word to use to say this. Like, you guys are the best community to have ever. Like, you guys are the best. I love each and every one of you guys. I love this lip. I love this lip. I love each and every one of you guys so much. You guys are the best community ever to have, especially on YouTube. Like, what would content creation be like without you guys? The best community ever. The best people I've ever met or I've met in my 2022 content creation journey. Even on my content creation, this is so yummy, like chocolatey. I don't want to get teary making these videos, so yeah, but you guys know I love you guys regardless, even though sometimes I can be a lot, but you guys don't even make me feel like I'm doing too much, like I am a lot. You guys accepted and loved me for me regardless of everything, and you accepted me with open arms, and I'm just grateful to have you guys by my side. I'm just so opportune to have you guys in my 2022 journey. I just want to say thank you to everyone, my community on YouTube. I just want to say thank you guys, and my community outside of YouTube, like group of YouTubers that formed this community. I just want to say thank you guys so much for your immense love and support towards me and towards my channel, from the late sleepless nights and also the countless knowledge sharing towards me and the support. I really do appreciate you guys, and my community on here. You guys are the best. You guys are amazing. I love you guys so much. I mean, like, the support I've gotten in 2022 alone is mind-blowing, and I couldn't have done this without you guys. You guys made 2022 indeed an amazing year. Like, I belong to a separate community of African YouTubers on WhatsApp, and I call them family because they're indeed family, because they constantly share knowledge, share ideas, and this support is mind-blowing. It's surreal how you guys devote your time to support me. I mean, it's just so beautiful to see that. I just want to say thank you, and I would have made a separate video about this, but looking at this makeup right now doesn't actually look like it's the clean girl makeup that I was actually planning on going for. But yeah, I didn't want this video to just be all about makeup. I wanted it to be part of me and me showing much appreciation and thanking you guys alongside doing my makeup. And what's the best way, or what's the better way to thank you guys while also doing my makeup, like talking to you guys. And yeah, I would have done a chest using wine, but guys, I don't have wine currently, and the best way to do my chest is through lip gloss, which I have. So I just want to say cheers into 2023. Let us continue the love and the support and much growth to each and every one of us, like my community. I can't wait to continue to do this with you guys come 2023 and the year beyond. And 2023 we go bigger. I know I said in 2022, in 2021, 2022 we go harder, but 2023 will go bigger. And yes, this is to each and every one of you. And in 2023 we'll come bigger, we'll do bigger, and more growth in our lives and in our content creation as well. And yeah, so I know guys, this video is all over the place, but pardon me again. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment in the comment section down below if you've set your goals for 2023, and also if you what you're going to be doing for New Year's Eve and for the New Year's. And just to wrap up and a close up for this video, I just want to say thank you to everybody and how much I love you guys so much. I mean, you guys are the best community ever anyone could ask for, especially on the journey. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys, and I love you guys so much. Also thanking God for bringing you guys into my life and into my content creation journey, because God knew I needed the support, and it sent you guys to me, which is amazing and mind-blowing and beautiful to see. And I just want to say thank you. So I'm wishing you guys the best of 2023, and cheers to an amazing content creation year in 2023 where we go bigger and bigger. I love you guys so much. Okay, so this makeup look is actually not the actual clean girl makeup look you guys are expecting, but yeah. All right guys, so thank you guys once again. See you in 2023. Have an amazing year. I'm wishing you the best of 2023.